students, today topic is index number continuation. Recall index number. Index number or index numbers or indicates which reflects the changes over a specified period of time. EX number 9.2 continuation. Sum number 17. Using the following data, construct Fisher's ideal index and show that how it satisfies the factor reversal test and time reversal test. The given table is commodity price in rupees per unit, number of units, base year, current year, base year, current year. Commodities ABCD. Okay. Now the given data, commodity price in rupees, numbers indicates ABCDE are the commodities. Price in rupees unit P0 P1 6 10 2 2 4 6 10 12 8 12. Number of units in Q0 and Q1. Q0 is initial, Q1 is final. 50 56 B, 100 120 C, 60 60 D, 50 24 E, 40 36. Now P0 Q0, P1 Q1, P1 Q0, P0 Q1. Multiply, we get this completion of tabular column. Now sum of P0 Q0. Adding these 5 columns, we get 1560. Next, sum of P1 Q1. 1880. Sum of P1 Q0. 2140. Next, sum of P0 Q1 is 1344. Fisher's price index number. Formula P01 of F square root of sum of P1 Q0 divided by sum of P0 Q0 into sum of P1 Q1 divided by sum of P0 Q1 into 100. Sum of P1 Q0. Sum of P1 Q0 is P2140. Sum of P1 Q1 is 1880. Will divided by sum of P0 Q0 1560 into 1344 into 100. Multiplying, we get 4020 200 divided by 2096640 into 100. We get square root of 1.9188 into 100. Get square root of 1.9188 into 100. Square root of 1.9188 is 1.385 into 100 is 138.5. Price index number P01 of F is equal to 138.5. Next, time reversal test. Formula P01 into P01. Square root of sum of P1 Q0 into sum of P1 Q1 into sum of P0 Q1 into sum of P0 Q0 whole divided by sum of P0 Q0 into sum of P0 Q1 into sum of P1 Q1 into sum of, from the table 2140 into 1880 into 1344 into 1560 whole divided by 1560 into 1344 into 1880 into 21. Cancelling all these things, we get a square root of 1. Square root of 1 is 1. So answer is 1. Okay, so next time factor reversal test. P01 into Q01. Formula square root of sum of P1 Q0 into sum of P1 Q1 into sum of Q1 P0 into sum of Q1 P1 whole divided by sum of P0 Q0 into sum of P0 Q1 into sum of Q0 P0 into sum of Q0 P1 is square root of 21 from the table 2140 1880 1344 1880 whole divided by 1560 1344 1560 2140 is 1880 into 1880 whole divided by 1560 into 1560 1212. These two terms are cancelled, we get this. Now 1880 into 1880 is 1880 whole square. whole divided by 1560 into 1560 is 1560 whole square. Now this can be written as 1880 divided by 1560 whole square whole to the power of 1 by 2. 2 to cancel. 0 divided by 1560. This is 1880 is sum of P1 Q1 from the table. 1560 is sum of P0 Q0. Hence P01 into Q01 is sum of P1 Q1 divided by sum of P0 Q0. Question number 20. The following are the group index numbers and the group weights of an average working class family's budget. Construct the cost of living index number. Cost of living index number. The given data is group index number, weight. Food 2450 48. Fuel and lighting 1240 20. Clothing 3250 12. Rent 3750 15. Next miscellaneous 4190 10. From the given data, arranging the data. Now first index number is P, weight is V, product gives PV. First food, second fuel and lighting, third class, fourth rent, miscellaneous. Now PV PV, product of these two gives this 117600. Product of these two 1240 into 20 gives 2480. Next 3250 into 12 is this 39000. Next 3750 into 15 gives 56250. 4190 into 10 gives 41900. Now sum of V is 105. Next sum of PV is this. Now cost of living index number formula, sum of PV divided by sum of P. Sum of PV is 27950 divided by 105 gives 2662.38. Calculate the cost of living index number by aggregate expenditure method. The given data is commodity weight 2010, price in rupees 2010 2015. P, Q, R, S, T are the commodities. Weights 80 30 25 40 50. 2010 price in rupees is 22 30 42 25 36. 2015 25 45 50 35 52. The given data, first weight is Q0, initial stage. Price 2010 is P0, 2015 is Q0, 2015 is P1, 2010 is P0, 2015 is P1, P1 Q0, P0 Q0. This is table curve. Now P 80 22 25. P1 Q0 is 1760 is P0 Q0. Next P1 Q0 in Q, P1 Q0. Product of these two gives 1350 P0 Q0. P0 Q0 is 330 30 is 900. Next R, P1 Q0. P1 Q0 is 50 into 42 is 1250. Next 25 42 sir 1050. Next S commodity P0 P1 Q0. P1 Q0. P1 Q0 is 40 into 35 1400. Next P0 Q0. P0 is 25, Q0 is 40, so 1000. Next commodity T, P0 P1 Q naught is P1 Q naught. 52 into 50 is 2600. Next P naught Q naught is 36 into 50 is 1800. Now sum of P1 Q naught is 8600. Sum of P naught Q naught is 6510. Cost of living index number CLI is sum of P1 Q naught divided by sum of P naught Q naught into 100 is 8600 divided by 6010 into 100. Cancelling these two, we get 1.3210 using the calculator into 100 gives 132.10. Today homework EX number sum number 19 and 21 is homework. Any doubt? Reply the message. Thank you.